Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a deep dive into a webcam that's been a favorite for years, the Logitech C922. But here's the big question, is it still worth buying in 2025, or should you spend your money on something newer? Stick around and let's find out. Okay, so first let's talk about the specs. The C922 offers 1080p at 30 fps or 720p at 60 fps. It also offers autofocus and light correction. It has dual stereo mics, background removal without green screen, and also a adjustable mounting clip. For a webcam released years ago, these specs were solid, but let's see how they hold up today. Alright, let's talk about real-world performance. I have tried this, and I have also seen other webcams being used on the internet, and here's what I found. The video quality is still decent on the C922, but newer webcams offer far better sharpness and color accuracy. It also doesn't have the best low light performance, but it is good enough with proper lighting. The autofocus can also struggle at times, I have noticed, but it works well for casual use and maybe some lighter content creation. Built-in mics on the C922 are okay, but if you're serious about streaming or Zoom calls, you will definitely want an external mic, like for example the one I use, which is just a blue Yeti, I think I have.
Yeah, this is pretty much what the webcam microphone sounds like and what it looks like to you. And it's a pretty good webcam, I would say. I have my settings now on full HD.
Okay, so who should buy this then in 2025? Well, it depends. Here's who might still want to buy it. Casual streamers and gamers, so if you're just getting started, it's still a budget-friendly option. Another use is for remote workers and students. If you need a reliable webcam for Zoom or Teams, it does the job. And also budget buyers. If you can find it under $60, it's a solid choice. But if you're looking for cutting-edge quality, you might want to check out newer models like the Elgato Facecam, Razer Kiyo Pro, or Logitech Brio 4K. So here's the final breakdown. The pros on the C922 is it's still solid 1080p quality, it's great for beginners and budget users, it's also reliable and easy to use. Cons are that it's not the best in low light, and newer webcams offer better sharpness. The audio quality is just okay on the microphones also. But overall, if you find it at a good price, it's still a solid webcam for most users. But if you need best of the best, you might want to upgrade. And yeah, that's it for today. What do you think? Are you still rocking the Logitech C922, or have you been moved on to something better? Let me know down in the comments below. And also don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification or bell icon so you don't miss any of my future tech videos. Well, otherwise, see you in the next one. Bye.